Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to strawberry fields. Nothing is real, nothing to get hung about. Strawberry fields forever. Living is easy with eyes closed. Misunderstandings all you see. It's getting hard to be someone, but it all works out. It doesn't matter much to me. Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to... Hey guys, I'm Vasco from UkuleleCheats.com, and today I'll show you how I'm playing Strawberry Fields Forever from the Beatles. I'll show you how to play 3 half steps down in the original, because that way the chords are way easier. If you want to play along with the original, just put a capo on the 3rd fret, okay? Also, let me know in the comments if you want the fingerstyle version for this song. If I see enough comments, I'll do it. Anyway, let's not waste time, jump right in. Alright, first let me show you the chords that we need. Okay, the first chord we need is the chord of G. Alright. Then we need the chord of D minor 7, which is like D minor, but also putting the pinky right here. Alright. Then we need the chord of E7. After that we need the chord of C major 7, which is like this. And then we need the chord of D, which I'm grabbing with 1 finger. Maybe for you it will be easier with 3. I don't know, check for yourself. And then we need the chord of D major 7, and for this song I'm grabbing it like this, like F sharp minor. Alright, because that way the voicing is just fitting better the song. Alright, and then we need the chord of D7, for which I'm just removing the pointing finger and I'm grabbing it like this. Okay. Also we need the chord of E minor. And that's all the chords that we need for the song. Alright, the song has 2 parts, verse, chorus, and the outro. And there is one tricky thing: the time measures change in a few bars. I'll try to explain it and mark it right here so you can memorize it like this. But let's go with the chorus, which the song starts with it, okay? So we hold G. Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to... And you go to D minor 7. Strawberry fields, E7. Nothing is real. And here quicker changes. And nothing to get hung about. Alright, so up to now every chord is counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But this one, the C major 7, we're counting just to 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so this is the little tricky thing in the chorus. So let's go through it. I'll count the whole time, alright? 1, 2, let me take you down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the tricky part. If you're familiar with the song, it will come naturally. For example, when I was doing the song, I never counted this because I always knew exactly where it should change. But when I prepared the tutorial, I realized that actually these 2 bars of the C major 7 are shorter. So nothing to get hung about. Strawberry fields forever. and we go to the verse. The good news is that in the verse we don't have any shorter bars, so it's all fours, all right? Living is easy with eyes closed. And here I do a little detail that is, while holding the D7, I'm doing A string open, and then on the E string 3, 2, okay? Like this. Living is easy with eyes closed. And then we go to misunderstandings, oh you see. It's getting hard to be someone, but it all works out. It doesn't matter much to me. And we get back to the chorus. As for the strumming, I'm doing on this in the beginning, I'm just doing 2 down strums. And then I start doing down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Down, 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 down. And after we have a few verses and chorus, on the last chorus, there is a little difference, all right? So let's see. Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to Strawberry Field. Nothing is real, and nothing to get hung about. Strawberry fields okay, for now this is the same, and then we go to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, but this time we stay on the G, again counting to 3 twice, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 1, 2, 3, to D, 1, 2, 3, and then C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you finish it on G. Usually in the recording after this there is a little part that is staying on one chord, but I just finish it on G. Alright, let's see how this goes. 'Cause I'm going to Strawberry Field. Nothing is real, and nothing to get hung about. Strawberry fields forever. Strawberry fields forever. Strawberry fields forever. Something like this. All right, I know that it can be a little bit tricky with these details, but when you really do them, the song sounds as it should. So I think it's worth the effort. Anyway, that was my tutorial for Strawberry Fields Forever. Thanks so much for watching it. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.